JoPaddy here, and tonight I'm just doing a teeny tiny little piece of resin artwork. I wanted to bring some color in my world and maybe just do a pretty little green leaf that I have sitting around. I have a big box of molds over there, tubs of molds actually. Some I've never used, so I've never used this mold before and I thought I'd give it a try. And I'll put a list of the colors that I'm using as we start the video. Right now I'm just mixing a little bit in here. I'm definitely using my phthalo green. It's one of my favorite shades. A little splash of gold. We'll see. Might add another green to it. I do not know yet. Let's just have some fun, everybody. Mix this up. I got a little bit of glitter in with my green. It's so pretty. So pretty. Guys, I had so much fun making that other leaf that I decided to make another one. Different design, different colors, same theme. Let's see. I'll list those colors too here in a minute. But this time I'm using some little purpley stuff and some silver. I'm using my primary elements and some inks, Bombay inks. Excited to see how they turn out. Finished mixing up this resin and we'll get started, everybody. I've mixed up 3 ounces of resin. I don't know if that's going to be enough. I might have to just mix up some more, but that's okay. We'll do it if we need to. All right, let me pour this in here. This is a little purple, just a splash of purple. Do that. Here's the color I really want to try. Most of that's going to be in there. And a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Maybe we'll get a little ombre effect. I really like these measuring cups that I get. Everything's all together in one cup. All right, here we go. This is my Bombay ink, Violet, my India ink. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. And this is my primary elements. I've mixed it. This is the Plumera and the iridescent violet mixed together. Let's see what that turns out like, y'all. Okay, everybody, let me show you the final result. I actually gave away my little turtle, so I don't have that to show you. But these turned out beautiful. And I took my markers and went around some of them. Like on this leaf, I put magnets on the back of 2. So these are my little magnets for the fridge. And then just put gold in certain areas. I didn't go all the way around it. And this one I did go all the way around. But they turned out just lovely. Let me give you a close-up. I'm going to start with this gold seahorse. Like I said, the turtle, I gave it away. But I had so much fun making the little things that I decided to make a few more. I made this one in red, and then I stretched the tail. Because on a lot of these, the tails are really long. When they're stretched out and hanging on stuff under the sea. I did some of the burgundy ones. I love that little chocolate velvet looking color. That little black cherry, chocolate covered raisin. So pretty, so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. So those are the seahorses. So pretty. This one's kind of clear a little bit too. It's got a little clearness to it. Pretty. Okay, now, let me give you a close-up. I don't know if you've seen these up close or not. I've got a weird angle today. Today and every day. The magnets. They turned out so nice. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then here's the big leaf, and I love it. I took the gold just around the top. Just put it a little bit around the edges. But it came out so pretty. And clear, you could see through it. Put it in the window. I could turn on this other light, but I guess you can see through it here. See, it's so pretty. I love it. I can even put it on a piece of artwork, or I can, you know, make it a big magnet. Or I can even, I was thinking about even doing some like these and making chimes. Like putting a jewelry hook in these, like a thicker hook. And then just hanging a few outside and let them go like that. And then maybe put, you know, a bar, a pole in between to make some noise. Or maybe these clattering together in the wind. That's kind of nice. Anyway, my goofy mind. Okay, and here's the purple one. On both sides, it turned out nice. I did put the little silver glitter on the tips. So I actually like both sides. This also has a little bit of clarity to it. You can see some details here. And you can see through it. Put the silver in the stem. Pretty, pretty. And then back to one of my favorite colors here. I did a couple leaves in the black cherry. So pretty, isn't that pretty? I just love that. That is a beautiful color. Not too much of a summer color, but it is pretty. And I did another one and added some, let's see, on this one I added a little more of the deep violet by Liquitex, which gave it that darker color, because this was with the black cherry wine that I had ordered by Resin Art. And that's what this color is. But then this is the black cherry wine along with this, but this is the black cherry wine with the Liquitex added. So it's nice and really dark and deep and pretty. And I just put silver on the tips. And then I decided to make a few little things. I had a little bit of resin left over, so I made some hearts and a couple of teardrops. Some of these pretty hearts are so pretty. Little hearts and teardrops. Little baby hearts. Got another one sitting here somewhere. Oh, working on some letters over here, you guys. I'll show you that video probably in a week or two on something I'm working on, something big. Okay, well, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let's have fun creating art this summer, guys. Arrivederci, everybody. See you again soon, back in the studio. I want to show you one thing real quick before I sign off today. This is my future project. It's a very large piece of resin art, and I can't wait to show you what that's all about. It's very, very exciting. And I will post that probably in about 3 weeks.